Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the Airplane Chef's mod menu on both iOS and Android devices. This mod unlocks all the best hacks in the game, including unlimited gems, unlimited coins, and every recipe unlocked, so you can dominate Airplane Chefs without limits. As you can see on screen, the mod menu gives you access to all levels unlocked, unlimited gems and coins, all recipes unlocked, and much more exclusive content for both iOS and Android players. Before you start, make sure your Airplane Chefs app is updated to the latest version. Just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there's an update available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to move on. The next step is simple. Scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've explained exactly where you can safely download Airplane Chefs++ and how to install it step by step. Follow the instructions there, and you'll have the mod running in minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.